Welcome, in front of me is a MEIZU M8 Lite, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, let's open up Settings, and from here scroll down to Storage. There we go, Storage and Backup. Kind of missed it the first time I went through. And from here you should see your Format SD card options. Tap on it. It gives you a message that performing this will remove all the data, so if there is anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, but if you don't, just tap on OK. The process will begin. And there we go, now it's finished. You can quit this and you're done. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.